Yamaha Tricity 125 is here as an innovative urban mobility solution combining futuristic design with advanced technology to provide a safe and comfortable riding experience amidst dense city traffic. Powered by a €5+ standard 125 cubic centimeters engine with Blue Core technology, the Tricity 125 offers high fuel efficiency and low emissions. The automatic start and stop feature helps reduce fuel consumption when stopping at red lights or traffic jams, as well as reducing air pollution in urban areas. One of the significant updates to the 2025 model is the 4.2-inch TFT screen that replaces the previous LCD panel. This screen supports Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to access navigation, receive calls, read text messages, play music, and check weather forecasts directly from the instrument panel. The Smart Key feature facilitates keyless access, while the Unified Braking System (UBS) automatically distributes braking force between the front and rear wheels for more stable and safe braking. The Tricity 125 design has been updated with a more compact and modern body, inspired by the Tricity 300. Stacked LED headlights and horizontal position lights form a distinctive Y pattern when lit, giving it a futuristic look. This scooter is also equipped with enough storage space under the seat for a full-face helmet, front pockets on the leg guards, and a USB Type-C socket in the cockpit for charging electronic devices. The Yamaha Tricity 125 is available in 3 attractive color choices: Zen Green, Milky White, Matte Gray. The Yamaha Tricity 125 is the ideal choice for those looking for an urban scooter with high stability, the latest technology, and a modern design. With the advanced features and riding comfort offered, the Tricity 125 is ready to be a loyal friend in facing the challenges of mobility in big cities.